Okay. Roswell Mills. You gonna come down here. Mm-hmm. This motherfucker steep too. When it's wet out here in this with the metal, baby. One more thing. I don't see how they in this water. But we came to see the waterfall. So let's go. Now we gotta cross up under the pipe to get over there. Go up under. Okay. So that's how you get down there. Oh no. It's a little too dirty for me today. It's a little too dirty today. When I tell y'all we just got back in the car, shit.
What?
God damn it. Fuck. Woo. Oh, we did it though. Double workout today.
You did that.
We did that.